Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Am I right children? Yeah. So up to yesterday what we did, we wrote ST. Yeah, we wrote ST and 3 lessons also completed for us. Am I right? So I said I will conduct a surprise test. That also when I will conduct, I will not tell. So the 3 lessons you have to be perfect on the 3 lessons. So one or the other day I will conduct an ST. So when that surprise test will be, I too don't know, depending upon my mood. So I will conduct. So everyone be prepared. Be prepared with the 3 lessons. Three lessons are there, no? So be prepared with the 3 lessons. 3 lessons. So in that 3 lessons, I will conduct a surprise test. That surprise test also carries 20 marks. So that also carries 20 marks. So everyone be prepared for the surprise test. And I hope everyone is writing classwork and workbook. Yeah children, am I right? So you are having very less subjects. Also we are telling classes maximum 1 hour it may take. So if you are seeing all the subjects also, so maximum if you are getting 4 subjects per day, so 4 subjects means 420 minutes if you calculate also, maximum 1.5 hour. So it will take 1.5 hour to you people. So remaining time, what you will do? You will play. Okay, you can play, but spend some more time. So only 1.5 hour we are watching the videos. So okay, 1.5 hour. So we can calculate it as a 2. So we are seeing videos for 2 hours. Okay, and still 2 more hours. Spend 2 more hours. Only 2 more hours. Okay, extend that 2 plus 2, 4 hours for studies. Yeah. So what ma'am, we are telling only 4 hours for studying? Yes, because you are staying in home. So if you are staying in home means, then we will not, that 4 hours also it is tough to you people to read. So that's why I am telling at least. So the people who are well and good, they will concentrate on the studies. However, they are in the school, or if they are not in the school also, they will go on with their subjects. But some people, very talented people are there with us, no? So for that sake, I am asking for them. So at least spend 2 plus 2. Okay? Yeah children, I hope everyone will spend 4 hours. Yeah? Everyone not. So the people who are well and good, for them it is okay. So the remaining people are there, no? At least they will not spend 1 hour time also for studies. For that people I am asking. Okay? So well and good, we have completed our 3rd lesson also. So our workbook part also completed. Yeah, our workbook part completed, and CW also is yesterday I did the questions, no? And now what we will do? Which lesson we will discuss? Which lesson children? Lesson number 4. Lesson number 4. Yeah. So lesson number 4. Before telling that, for example, so you have to tell the lesson name. So by what I am giving the example, no? With that example, just think of the lesson name. So for example, if you are going in a bus, so if you are traveling in a bus, what will be there outside? So for example, a tree is there, or a tree is there. So when you are traveling on the bus, okay, when you are traveling, the tree which is there outside, so what you are seeing, the surrounding, the nature, what you are seeing, the tree is also coming with us. So sometimes you may feel like that, no? So while you are watching like that, when you are traveling in the buses, so you may think, yeah, the tree is also coming with us. The feeling will come, no? Yeah. So, but what is the truth behind that? What is the truth behind that? It will come with us. No, it will be in the same place, but our feeling will be like that. Yeah. In other example, if you are taking, means two trains are there. Two trains are there, parallel, beside two tracks are there, and the two trains are there, and one train is ready to move. So one train is ready to move, and the other train, it may take for 10 minutes more. So when the train is passing, one train is ready to move, no? Think that we are in that train. Yeah, think that we are in that train, and see what do you feel the other on that other track also we are having one more train, no? What do you feel? What do you feel, children? The other we will feel like that the other train is also moving. Yeah. So did you come across such things, such movements? So did you come across this anytime? Yeah, maybe some of you, so who has traveled in the trains and also who has traveled in the buses, they may come across such type of movements. Am I right? So our lesson, what is our lesson? What is our lesson? By this we can tell, you may not get the name, so this moment you can experience, but you may not feel that name. So what is that? What is our lesson name? Motion and time. So what is our lesson name, children? Motion and time. So what is our lesson name? Motion and time. So in this what we are going to discuss? Motion means what? Motion means, so you may feel that motion means something else, not something else. I will explain you what is a motion. Okay. I already said the example, no? For example, if you are traveling in a van, a car, a bus, so the tree is there here. Here the tree is there, and here think this is a van. Okay, think this is a van. So tree is there here. Okay, in the first picture, tree is there here, and in the second picture, so the car is here and the tree is here. So what is your feeling? What is your feeling, children? You are grown up only, no? So that we cannot. So your feeling will be yes. The first only I said, no. So when it is moving means we will also feel like it is also coming with us. Yeah. So if you are asking your brothers, small brothers or small sisters are there means, so if you are going and ask them, then what they will tell? How it is changing, brother? So the car is here, tree is here, and again how it went here? The tree changed or car changed? Compulsory you will get this question from your small brothers and small sisters. Am I right? So the movement of this, how they are changing. So in the picture one, for example, if you are seeing, so see, so if you are seeing in the first example, so if you are seeing this picture, so same what I have drawn on the board. So the tree and I am not that much good artist. So if you are seeing like this, the tree is in the left side. So after that it came to the right side. So what do you observe from that? And also you will experience, mostly you will experience that motion in our life. So many times you will see. So in which way you will see? So motion you will observe in the, so for example, aeroplane is flying in the air. So if aeroplane is flying in air, that is also comes under motion. Buses, autos, cars, bullock carts, these are all moving on the road. So this will also gives an example for the motion. And so apart from this all objects which are there around us, so if we are we can experience in our own life. So if we can experience in our own life, so how it is, we are walking, no, we are walking, we are running, playing, jumping, yeah, we are riding a bicycle. At that time also we will experience that motion. Ma'am, first onwards you are telling motion, 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 but you are not telling what is a motion. Yeah, children, I will tell that. For example, an object is there. So an object is there here. So think this is a object. Think this is a object. So an object is said to be in motion. So this object is there, no? This will be said to be in motion when it will be changed. So when it is changing the position, okay. For example, this tree is there, no, the tree is here itself, but it is not moving, no, but the object which is there, that is moving, no, so the object, an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to the surroundings. Surroundings means this only, no, so which is there near to the surroundings. So this is the object is said to be in motion. So motion means what? Okay. In a simpler form, if you want to tell, means, so whatever the surroundings are there, it will not depend the object which is there, not only a car, whatever. Think as a person also. For example, I am there, so I am walking on the road. So on the road I will come across so many trees, so many things will be there, no, on the road. Okay, so what I feel, so I am there, so I am a person here, and here so many trees, so many objects are there. Okay, so what I am so I am moving, no, I am the moving person. So here motion means I, okay, which is there in the rest. So the surroundings are in the same place. The moving object will tell, no, the moving one. So the object which is said to be motion. So an object is said to be in motion if it changes the position. So it is changing the position with respect to the surroundings. It is changing. So for example, I am here, so I am moving, no, I will come across this surroundings, no, that, okay, that is said to be a motion with respect to the time. So what is our lesson name? Motion and time, no? Motion means, okay, the movement will be there in us, am I right? So in us will be there, the cars will move, so everywhere. So if I am running also, so what will be there? So whatever the trees and the objects which are there, I will come across them. So motion means an object means a person or a car or a bus, whatever it may be, think, is said to be in motion. Okay, when it's said to be in motion, if it changes its position, if it is changing its position with respect to its surroundings. So with respect to its surroundings, that motion means, I think everyone understood, am I right? So what is the definition of motion? An object is said to be in motion. If an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings and a given time. So I hope everyone understood motion means. Okay, I already said no. So a person or an object who is moving, the moving persons. Okay, and now who is in rest here? Who is in rest here? The surrounding. So an object is said to be in rest. So an object is said to be at rest. When it will be said to be in rest? If there is no change in its position with respect to the time and its surroundings. So whatever may be the so what is there, an object is there, is said to be in rest. So for example, now which will comes under an object? This one. So an object is said to be in rest. When will said to be in rest? So auto. So no need to think this. So think this only. So object means this only we considered now first. So an object is said to be in rest. When you will tell, for example, it is stopping in this place only. So for example, it is stopping in this place. Okay, an object is said to be in rest. Said to be in rest if there is no change. So it is stopped here. There is no movement of the car. So then we will tell that an object is said to be in rest if there is no change. If there is no change on its position. So if there is no change in its position with respect to its surroundings at a given time. Okay, so I think everyone understood now. So an object which is there, this is said to be in motion. When you will tell it is in motion, so if there is the movement, so when it is, an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to the surroundings and time. An object is said to be in rest. So in rest, when we will tell it is in rest, if there is no change, it is staying here only. There is no change in surroundings and the time. So there is no change in the surroundings and the time. Then we will tell that it is in rest. Okay, I hope everyone got the point. What is a motion and what is a rest? Yeah, children. So now, I am showing you the other picture. See, so I am showing the other picture. So in the textbook they have given the questions. See, the distance between the driver and the car changes. The distance between the driver and the car changes. Car will be different. No. Driver will be in the car. He will ride the car. Am I right? So there is no change. The distance between the car and the gate of the house. So here house is there now. Distance between the car and the house. Car and house means car is moving. No, house will not move. No. So the distance between the car and the gate of the house is changed. Yes, it is changed. There is no change in the position of gate of the house with respect to its surroundings. So is there any change of the gate? The gate was moving anywhere? No. So the surrounding which is there, so there is a house. Okay, so when we are moving means the house will also come with us? No, the house will not come with us. So the house is here only. So there is no change in its surroundings. So true. There is no change in the position of the car with respect to its surroundings. There is no change in the car. The car is moving, no? Is there any change or no change? So car is moving. There is a change. So false. Okay. And also, so they are telling that imagine that a moving car, in that you and your friend is traveling in that car. Is there any change? Is there any change? Who is driving? So your friend only. Is there any change between you and your friend who is driving? No. So because both will be in the same car. Is there any change? Okay. So imagine like that and ask questions in your mind only. Think who is in rest and who is in motion. Okay. The total lesson will depend upon this motion and time only. So we have to see the objects. So and we have to tell, for example, if you are riding a cycle, the road is there. Okay, you are riding a cycle and road is there. You are moving on the cycle, but the road is there. No, road is also coming along with us. So whatever on the way we are going, the road will be there. But what is there? The backside road which we have already traveled, that will come back of us? No. So like that, think some examples in your mind and write that examples in your homework book. Today's homework is that only. Okay. Imagine like if you are traveling in a aeroplane or if you are traveling in a bus. So who will be in the motion and who will be in the rest? So what is the distance between them? So like that, imagine and write. Okay. So today up to here, this is the end of our class. In the next session, so many are there. And this is a vast lesson. So we'll see what is there. So how many types are there? What are those? And we'll learn in a detail manner. So that children, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day, enjoy your day. Thank you, children.